Oh my god, guys, look at that. It's a deer's skull. Mount it on the front of the Panda. I'm up at the deer farm, bringing up, just check the food. Got some more food if they need any. It's quite mild again today. The bees in the garden are active, as you'll see on the little video at the beginning. So yesterday, I did an event again with Owen with this honey stall. It was really amazing. Like, I can't put no pictures on of it because of they asked not to put no pictures or anything on social media. But it was to do with Red Bull, and it was brilliant. Honestly, you just had to take my word for it. We made a few honey sales and candle sales and stuff, so it was a good day, you know. Lots of freebies, free cans of Red Bull, which my son really enjoyed and went a bit over the top on. But yeah, just gonna see what these bees are doing. Got the smoker lit. Just got a bee hat and gloves today. So I'll come back if anything in a minute. Wow, so I wasn't expecting them to be this busy. Check this out. So they're all out and about looking for something. It's good to see though, it's good to see. Hello little bees. Wow, look at that, that's amazing. And I can see now, just standing here, every hive is alright for bees, isn't it? Right girls, what are you all doing? You are busy bees, man. Beautiful, that's what we want. So I'm just going to check all their fondant and stuff and see, make sure they've got plenty and stuff, which I think they probably have. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll start at the top and work down, because a couple of these ones are aggressive. So I'll come back when I'm just rounding up here, because that's all we're doing, popping the lids. We're not going into the boxes, even though they're as busy as that. We're not going to up and out their hives properly and see. We're just going to let them check their foods. These ones have got a lot of sniffers around the roof. What are you all sniffing around the roof for? Go on, bugger off. Trying to get free food, I bet, ain't you? Trying to get a bit of free grubbo, are you? So we'll start with this one. I'll come back in a bit. So they're all good. Very good. It smells, I can smell, like, because it's warmed up, they're like fanning their hives a bit. Look at that one though. That's good to see though, because that's the one that was a little bit weaker, weren't it? So they're all good. Carry on bees, I'll see you next week. It's the donkey. Hello donkey. Right. Bye bye donkey. Oh, I'm at the deer, not deer farm, I'm at the farm now. It's wet up here, and I don't want to get the Panda filthy underneath, because the other day we had loads of floods in UK, well, Northamptonshire as well. Had a lot of floods. So me and Owen went out in the floods and cleaned the underneath of the car through the floods. The engine light's on now, but I know what it is. Like, it's just moisture on one of the connectors. I've had the problem before when I've been through water, so it's nothing for me to worry about really. But yeah, I don't want to filth up the underneath of the car, like minging and scrape it through the mud and stuff, because soon it's going to go for MOT. Look at the cows and the sheep. Moo, bah. And yeah, soon it's going to go for MOT, so I don't want to ming it right up. Listen to them. Although you can't really help it up here, but I'll just go slow, right? Hopefully I might be able to drive down the track, and then I'll walk up to the across to the apiary. But even, you know, even just driving along here, it's a bit of a wet, sticky situation. But I don't want to, you know what I mean? I don't want to really batter up the bottom with mud and shit. So I'll just go slow. Anyway, I'll come back when I'm down the bottom, sorting out what's occurring down there. I think the bees are up here. No, I'm not seeing no fly. No fly to the bees. Yeah, there's some lot sniffing around there looking for stuff. Anyway, I'm going to go down the bottom, try not to get too shitted up. Yeah, so I'm going to drive down the track, guys. First time. Obviously it's not finished, but you know, we ain't got to go through all that boggy, sloppy slops and filth up the bottom of the car like we normally do, as fun as it is. Yeah, so down the bottom, because all the bees are down there now, so we ain't got to go in that field at all. Bonus. So we'll see how far we can get on the track, and then I'll walk the rest. Got my welly boots on. I'll come back when I'm down the bottom. So it looks like we'll park here and walk the rest of the way, because the other side of this mound is mud. I know I could drive the Panda straight over this mound, you know, like the beast she is. So we'll just park it up and we'll go and have a look. We'll walk from here. So we just parked her up and I'll walk across the field. It's not far, is it? Go through the little gate. Beast. There's a deer. Trying to get into the apiary, look. Obviously it's all fenced up here now, so they ain't got free roam like they did have. It's nice to see a deer up here, as it stays away from the beehives. I don't think they'd harm the beehives anyway. It's panicking because it see me walk across. So what, little deer? So what, Bambi? I ain't gonna hurt you. So go on, run that way. It's the first time I've ever seen a deer up here. Oh God, what's that? Oh, there's another one. Just took off across the field. That one did come out the apiary. I don't know where that one went. Oh, it's there, look. Huh. First time I've seen deer down here. There's a couple that were. Nice. Let's have a quick peek down here then. Oh, there, look. They're busy. They're busy and they've pulled out their stingers. My hive's busy. Yeah, they're doing grand. Alright, gals? Let's have a look here. Activity at that one, that one, that one and that one. I reckon I can see bees near the doorway on this one. Yeah, look, there they are. Yeah, all good on them ones. All good on them. Where's the old deer gone? Oh dear. Who knows? Maybe they were coming from me trees. Doesn't look like no one's nibbled no trees though. Just check the other ones. say these ones, none of these want feeding really. You can't feed that one. None of these want feeding because they was all left with plenty, as you'll see with the amount of boxes they got on. Mine's on double brood. These are on, that's double brood there, that's double brood there. They're all on brood and half. Plus they've got super on top. Another one over there on double brood. These ones are all brood and half. So everything should be good and not need food or anything. They must come in from there, look, the deer, because that side's not fenced. Oh yeah, look at these. These ones are a bit tacky, these. Look at these girls. Yeah. So all the bees are good. Carry on then, girls. See you next week. Done. So I've got some budget and Leggett mechanics to do again today on the old caddy. Waiting for some parts to come. So I've got loads of parts to put on it. All the back brakes and stuff need doing. So we've got discs and pads to put on and drop links. But oh, there's that deer, look, it's just jumped the fence. It's running up the ditch now. So they can jump these fences then. Huh. So that one's gone that way and its mate's gone that way. So I feel a bit bad now that I'll split them up. I don't know if they talk to each other, like if they shout at each other to call each other back to each other or not. Do deer do that? Do they have like a cry? I'm over here! Who knows? Cows do, sheep do, pigs do, goats do. Surely deer do. A deer do. A deer do, a deer do, a deer do. Yeah. Nice. See some deer. Bit of litter there. Yeah. All the deer, all the animals you see. There's so much building goes on in the UK and there's not much really land. Like around our way you see it loads. Corby used to have so many deer because it had so much woodlands and stuff around it. And then they build on everything and displace all the animals and push them out of where they've lived and stuff and roamed for a while. And so the deer come in closer to the towns and the villages and everything. And the foxes and things. One day they'll build on everything and there won't be no animals left because there won't be nowhere for them to live. Only in cages. Look at that panda, look. Look at that parking. We could have drove over that, you know. No problem. So that's not bad, is it, driving up the track? At least we're not battering the car up and filthing it up so much. So I need to really give it a really good clean, give it a really good going over and checking what it needs and everything to see whether it's worth MOTing or what. Because if it's not worth MOTing, I'll probably end up just leaving it up here to use up here for the bees, and it'll just become a permanent bee car. Because I don't use it on the road really, because I've got the caddy. But obviously the caddy needs some work because that's got MOT due as well soon. But then, you know, I'm thinking I need a pickup truck really, because then I can do the bees and I can do the gardening with one vehicle. So at the minute I'm running 2 vehicles and I don't really want to be doing that because I don't earn much money. So we'll see.